Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be discussing if we can change profile picture on our Wish application. If you're looking for a way to update or change your profile picture on Wish app, then let's go ahead and find out if you can really do that. First of all, open the Wish application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you're inside the main home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner, which will then bring up this profile section. Tap on View Profile at the top and then click on Edit Profile. As you can see that there is no option yet available for profile photos. You can only change your first name, last name, your birthday information and your gender inside the Update Profile option. But who knows, maybe they will be able to update this setting in the future as well, and then you will be able to change your profile picture on Wish app. So that's how far we can go about changing the profile picture on Wish application. If you found the video was informational at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.